Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a pain point I encountered while using ChatGPT. The issue is that when chat with ChatGPT on their official website, there are often unstable connections and disconnections. For example, if you ask it to write an article, you may have to wait a long time for a response, or the conversation may suddenly disconnect, which can be very frustrating. So is there any way to solve this problem of slow feedback and frequent disconnections with ChatGPT? Today I will share with you a method of using API key to access ChatGPT, which has the advantage of being very stable without any disconnections issues. Additionally, it provides immediate feedback without having to wait for a long period of time. Another important point is that by using the API key method, there are no restrictions on the IP address, which means you can use ChatGPT normally without encountering messages such as, "Sorry, your region does not support the use of ChatGPT." Alright, let's take a look at my computer. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my PC. So on my desktop, you can see this icon, the chat box. This is the open source free software. We can use this local software to use the ChatGPT API key to access the ChatGPT very quickly. Yeah, very quickly. So I will double click this application to load the ChatGPT locally on my local desktop, on my local PC. Let's have a look and enlarge the screen here. So this is a free software, open source. So after I open this software, then you can see some modules of this ChatGPT. Let's have a look at these settings here. The settings. Click this settings. You can see here, this is the OpenAI API key. So we will use the OpenAI API key to save this API key into this software. Then we will directly chat with the ChatGPT through this local software. I mean the local applications. Yeah, that is the logic behind. Let's have a look. This is a random talk. So you can talk with ChatGPT for random talk and English translator. So this module will be the model of the to transfer the model like the ChatGPT is a translator. And this is IT expert. So the ChatGPT will help you to fix some issues when you are using the IT related facilities or the software. And this is the software developer. Yeah, the software developer. So you can ask the ChatGPT to write the code for you. Okay, this is the code I previously asked the ChatGPT to help me to write some applications. Software developer and summarize. So you can give the ChatGPT a paragraph, then it will help you to summarize the paragraph into like several bullet points. Yeah, and the others. So you can new a new chat. Yeah, you can new a chat and you can rename this chat like rename and some, for example, so food, cooking, like cooking, something like that. You can just rename these modules like that and then chat with the ChatGPT directly. Okay, so for example, random talk. I will show you how fast it is. For example, I give it a question like, let's have a look. I can paste. I have obtained a master's degree. Please help me write a graduation speech. Let's have a look. I will send it to the ChatGPT. Send it. You can see how fast it is. Yeah, there's no any waiting for the ChatGPT to feedback. So it will feedback to you immediately and very quickly. So dear esteemed faculty member, distinguished guests, fellow graduates, and most important, my family and friends, I am honored and grateful for the opportunity to. So you can see it very fast, and you can see here this word count. It will count the word and the token estimate. It will also calculate the token. So the token is used to estimate how many token you used. I will explain later why this token is also important. So you can see this token, and I will choose another question to the ChatGPT. Copy here, like I broke up with my girlfriend and feel very bad. What should I do? Please help me. For example, I will let's talk like this one. I will click this one to talk under this tag. I broke up with my girlfriend and feel very sad. What should I do? Please help me. Send. So there's no any waiting, no any wait for the ChatGPT. So it will give you feedback immediately. As an AI language model, I can only provide you with a general advice. So please understand that this is not personalized advice. Breaking up with someone can be tough, and it's natural to feel bad about it. So it will give you some options, give you suggestions to recover your life. Yeah, and help me write a plain shooting game, use Python. So let's use an IT expert or use a software developer. Have a look. Software developer. Paste. Let's have a look. Send. Help me write a plain shooting game using Python. So it's very, very fast. So there's no any waiting of disconnection, the network broken. I mean, the broken with when using the official website directly on with the ChatGPT. But you are using this local application with this settings with the API key to communicate with the ChatGPT. It's very, very fast. Okay. So I will close this application and show you how to install this chat box. Okay, I will close it, and I will delete it from my local PC. Let's have a look. It's not a very big software. Here, chat box, only 20.9 megabytes. So I will uninstall it, and reinstall to show you step by step how to reinstall this chat box. It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, I click yes to delete it. Okay, so you can see I deleted the chat box. So now your computer is the same like my computer. We are with the same stage. Okay, next I will go to the website here, GitHub. The website. This is a free software with the open source. So open source free software you can download from the GitHub. So let's go down to have a look. Some introduction here. I will put this GitHub link down below this video description for you to click to download the chat box. Okay, let's have a look. Some introduction of this chat box. Let's have a look. Why use chat box? Because it's very fast and straightforward, very simple to use that. Okay, let's go down to see some introduction. Okay, let's go to the download page here. The Chatbox 17 releases. We click it to download the latest version. Okay, let's have a look. We will download. If your PC is Mac, then you need to download this one. DMG, this is for Mac, the Apple Mac PC. And if your PC is the Windows PC like Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you need to download this one, 64-bit and USMSI.MSI, this one to install onto your Windows PC, Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if your system is Linux, then you need to download this one, DEP. Yeah, AMD64.dep if you are using the Linux system. Okay, for me, I'm using Windows 10, so I will download this one. Because I already downloaded it, so I will not show download again. Let's go back to my folder here. You can see I already downloaded the chat box, this software. So I will double click to install the chat box. It's very easy. Just to click next, and install. So yeah, it's very fast. Okay, so then you click yes. Okay, you can see finished installation. You can click this one, launch chat box, and click finish. And you also will find that the chat box already on your desktop here. Yeah, desktop here, and you click finish, and you can see the chat box is opened. And after that, we need to find your API key for your chat box. Yeah, so let's go back to the website and for the account API key from the ChatGPT official website. The web address is platform.openai.com account/API key. So I will put this link down below this video description. You need to open this web address, and the ChatGPT official website will ask you to key in your account account, Gmail, like your email account and your password to log in to this website, to log in to this web address platform to get your API key. So you need to key in your email account, email, and your password to this website, to this web page. Because I already logged in to my ChatGPT account, so you will see that the API key. This is my API key I created. So you can create for you if you have never created an API key, then you can click this button, create new secret key. Click that new secret key, and it will create a new secret key. And click this button to copy. Yeah, you can see copied the secret key and paste this secret key to the settings here. Click settings and delete this one because I installed the API key previously. So I will delete it and paste the API key here. So, and after that, then you show word count and show estimate the token count. I recommend that you switch on these two options because you can easily know the word count and estimate the token count. The token, it is important for you to know the usage here. Click the usage button on the ChatGPT platform background. You can see after you registered a new ChatGPT account, you will get a $5 for your trial. So you can have $5 to try this API key service, and it will be expired in July. For me, it will 3 months for you. The valid period is 3 months. You can use it $5. So I'm using it for a long time from March 16. So until now, today is March 27th. So I only used less than $1. So it is very cheap for you to use the ChatGPT API key to communicate with the ChatGPT. So I think that's enough, $5. After you finish the $5, you can recharge. Yeah, you can recharge your account to get another $5, or you can register another new ChatGPT account. Then you can get another $5 for your trial. Okay, so this is the token. Token will be calculated here, and you will see the token equal to how much money costed for your ChatGPT account. Okay, let's go back ChatGPT here and the proxy here. There's no need to change anything here for the proxy, and the model and the token. There's also no need to change anything here. No need to just leave it alone. No need to change anything. And after keying your OpenAI API key, then you click save. Okay, so after that, then you can talk with the ChatGPT directly, very quickly. Yeah, let's go. Hello, hi there. Hi, let's have a look. Yeah, hello, how may I assist you? So it will it can feedback very quickly. Yeah, it's very useful and very fast. So if you like my sharing, don't forget to thumb up and see you next time. Bye-bye.